I am back again with another wonderful opportunity for you guys to start trading the forex market without having to spend any money of your own. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can get a $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with. And to get this bonus is quite simple. All you just have to do is to make sure you follow me closely in this video, and as I show you the step-by-step process on how you can get this bonus and start trading with it. And also I'll be talking about the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, if you are just coming across our video for the first time, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and drop a comment of where you are watching from, the country you are watching from, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on updates like this, because I'm dropping updates on how you can make money in 2025. Right, so let's dive into how you can get this wonderful opportunity. So to get this bonus, all you have to do is to check the description of this video. You'll find the link there. Click on the link, and the link is going to take you to my Telegram channel. After getting there, you find the link to this site. Click on the link and it's going to take you to somewhere like this. After getting here, all you just have to do is to click on start now right here. So click on start now. So just click on start now and it's going to take you here. You know the drill, just input your details. Input your details, and after inputting your details, click on your accept right here and click on continue. All right, and after clicking on continue, they are going to send you a pin to your Gmail that you are going to verify your email address. Just input the pin, and after inputting the pin, click on continue as well, and it's going to take you to their home page. Right, it's going to take you to somewhere like this. So when you get here, the next step, as you can see, your email has now been verified. The next step is to verify our profile. All right, your profile has not been verified. So these are the ways by which you can verify your profile: your ID or passport, proof of address, selfie with ID. After uploading everything, this is how it's going to look. Let me show you how it's going to look, because I have been able to verify mine. This verification does not take long. In few minutes you'll be verified already. All right, so after verification, it's going to look like this. This is how your profile is going to look after verification. All right, as you can see, ID or passport approved. Yes, everything has been verified. As you can see right here, my profile has been verified. All right, so the next step is to claim the bonus. So to get this bonus is very simple. You just have to do is to come here, click on open live account right here, click on open live account. All right, and it's going to take you here. All right, so click on select right here and to see bonus account. All right, you are going to see bonus account, but because I've been able to claim mine, that's why they are not bringing it here, because I can't claim it twice. Right, so it's going to bring bonus account. Select the bonus account, and after selecting the bonus account, you click on continue. All right, you click on continue, and it's going to create get in within the space of 24 hours. They are going to credit you with the bonus. All right, just like they did right here. This is mine right here. So this is how it's going to look like. Credit, as you can see, credit right here is $100, as you can see right here. So they are going to credit, and they are going to send the login details to your Gmail to log into your, as you can see. So the type of account you are going to select is sign up bonus MT5. All right, so as you can see right here, I've been able to claim mine, and they are going to send the login details to your MT5 to log into your MT5, and after logging in, you can start trading. So as for the terms and conditions to be able to withdraw from this bonus, all right, so as for the terms and conditions required to be able to withdraw from this bonus, as you can see right here, the offer is only for people that are 18 years or older. All right, and the trading period is 15 days from the moment the account is credited. All right, so the trading platform is MetaTrader 5, and the minimum lots is 0.01, maximum is 500 lots. All right, so this is the required trading volume for withdrawals. All right, so to withdraw profit, the following formula applies: profit divided by 3. For example, to withdraw $30 in profit, you will need to complete 10 lots of trading. All right, so you have to complete 10 lots of trading for you to withdraw $30. All right, so profits can be withdrawn starting from the next calendar month after required trading volume has been met. All right, so there is no time limit for completing the required trading volume to withdraw profit. All right, so these are the terms and conditions attached to being able to withdraw from this bonus. All right, so so to contact their support, just send the message to their mail right here to contact their support. Right, so thank you so very much for watching. I hope you are able to claim yours. If you are not able to claim yours, let me know the reason why you are not able to claim yours. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment where you are watching from, and subscribe. Have a nice day.